Accuracy has long stood at the heart of quality woodworking, and few companies represent it more strongly than Woodpeckers. In 2026, they keep advancing limits with a collection created to boost precision in layout, joinery, and machine setup. Let's take a look at the latest Woodpeckers tools makers will appreciate this year. Precision joinery starts with flawless layout, and the wheel marking gauge is built for exactly that. Unlike pencils or scratch owls, it uses a razor-sharp circular blade that slices cleanly through wood fibers, leaving an ultra-fine line that's crisp, accurate, and impossible to miss. Because it's a cut rather than a mark, it doubles as a physical guide for chisels and saws, helping you achieve cleaner, more controlled results. A broad stainless steel reference plate keeps the tool steady against your workpiece, while a fine thread micro-adjustment system lets you dial in measurements with incredible accuracy, down to fractions of a sheet of paper. Whether you're laying out dovetails, mortises, or hardware placement, this gauge ensures every line is precise, every cut is guided, and every joint comes together with professional perfection. Traditional box joints can feel restrictive, but the adjustable box joint sled opens up a world of possibilities. Using a clever system of 1/8-inch steel spacers, you can create nearly any joint pattern imaginable, from perfectly uniform layouts to completely custom variable spacing designs. The sled works with standard table saw blades, so there's no need for a dado stack, and its precision-guided design ensures repeatable accuracy every time. Whether you're building drawers, cabinets, or decorative boxes, this sled gives you the freedom to experiment with patterns while maintaining the strength and reliability of a classic box joint. Compact, durable, and engineered for consistency, it's a small upgrade that delivers big results, transforming box joints from a basic joinery option into a creative design element that sets your projects apart. Assembly work often requires controlled striking, not brute force. That's exactly what inspired Woodpeckers' Polycarbonate Mallets. Instead of traditional rubber or steel, these mallets use polycarbonate, the same impact-resistant material used in fighter jet canopies. It slightly deforms on impact, delivering controlled force without bounce or harsh rebound. The result? More precision than rubber and more forgiveness than steel. Each mallet features a CNC-machined polycarbonate head paired with aircraft-grade aluminum handle in Woodpecker's signature red. Inside, a full-length ribbed steel core bonds everything into a single solid unit, giving you balanced, accurate strikes every time. A table saw is only as good as its miter gauge, and Woodpecker's Indexable miter gauge is a serious upgrade. This new design combines the best features of their previous systems while adding key improvements. The patented miter bar uses adjustable leaf springs to eliminate play in worn or imperfect slots. Precision indexing holes handle common angles, while a hairline reticle allows micro-accurate custom adjustments. Add in a tool-free micro-adjustable flip stop, extension fence with matching graduations, and a sacrificial block to reduce tear-out, and you've got a highly capable, workshop-ready system. For layout across corners, accuracy is everything, and that's where the stainless steel folding saddle square shines. Its hinged design allows the tool to wrap cleanly around edges, letting you transfer lines seamlessly from one surface to another without guesswork. After assembly, both halves are precision machined together, ensuring perfect alignment even when folded, so you can trust the square to deliver consistent results every time. Compact yet durable, it's built from stainless steel to resist wear and maintain accuracy over years of use. Whether you're laying out joinery, checking squareness, or laying out joinery that spans multiple surfaces, this saddle square makes the process faster, easier, and far more precise. It's a small but powerful addition to any woodworker's layout kit, turning tricky corner work into a straightforward, reliable task. When it comes to machine setup, reliable reference angles are non-negotiable, and that's exactly what stainless steel angle gauge blocks deliver. Precision machined to extremely tight tolerances, these compact blocks provide the most common angles, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees with accuracy you can trust. They're ideal for setting blade angles, aligning fences, or even guiding layout work, ensuring every cut and adjustment is dialed in perfectly. Unlike improvised solutions, these blocks are engineered for durability and repeatability, making them a small but powerful upgrade to any workshop. Their stainless steel construction resists wear and maintains accuracy over time, while their compact size makes them easy to keep within reach. Whether you're fine-tuning a table saw, squaring up a miter gauge, or laying out precise cuts, these angle blocks bring consistency and confidence to every project.
For cutting boards and similar projects, V-Groove finger grip router bits offer a simple yet highly effective upgrade. Designed to cut clean, consistent grip profiles along edges, these bits use a bearing-guided system that works seamlessly on both straight runs and curves. The result is a smooth, professional-looking finger hold that adds comfort and functionality to your boards without complicated setup. Available in multiple sizes, they cover a wide range of board thicknesses, ensuring the right fit for any project. The largest version even includes interchangeable bearings, essentially giving you multiple profiles in one tool, adding versatility without requiring extra bits. Durable, precise, and easy to use, these router bits make it effortless to add practical, polished details to your woodworking projects, turning everyday boards into pieces that feel custom-crafted and refined. Few tools are as versatile as a combination square, but Woodpecker's Indexable combination square takes precision to a whole new level. Released as a limited annual run, it features a stainless steel head that's precision machined for accuracy and durability. The unique Indexable system allows you to mark from any inch position along the rule, getting you repeatable, reliable layout lines every time. A retractable support adds stability when working along edges, ensuring the square stays firmly in place. With its premium finish, meticulous machining, and thoughtful design, this tool isn't just functional, it's collectible. Whether you're laying out joinery, setting up machines, or checking angles, the Indexable combination square delivers unmatched accuracy and versatility, making it a standout addition to any serious woodworker's toolkit. For layout across corners, accuracy is everything, and that's where the stainless steel folding saddle square shines. Its hinged design allows the tool to wrap cleanly around edges, letting you transfer lines seamlessly from one surface to another without guesswork. After assembly, both halves are precision machined together, ensuring perfect alignment even when folded, so you can trust the square to deliver consistent results every time. Compact yet durable, it's built from stainless steel to resist wear and maintain accuracy over years of use. Whether you're laying out joinery, checking squareness, or laying out joinery that spans multiple surfaces, this saddle square makes the process faster, easier, and far more precise. It's a small but powerful addition to any woodworker's layout kit, turning tricky corner work into a straightforward, reliable task. Drilling perfectly straight holes is one of woodworking's most common challenges, but the Autoline drill guide makes it simple. Think of it as a portable drill press, compact, precise, and easy to use anywhere. By keeping your drill perfectly perpendicular, it eliminates the frustration of angled or wandering holes while still allowing you to control exact positioning and depth. Tight tolerance bearings ensure smooth, consistent operation, even when working with tricky materials like hardwoods or laminates. The guide's sturdy construction and thoughtful design give you professional-level accuracy without the bulk of a full drill press. Whether you're building furniture, installing hardware, or tackling DIY projects, the Autoline drill guide delivers repeatable results you can trust, turning a difficult task into a straightforward, reliable process that saves time and elevates the quality of your work. Setting up a Dado stack doesn't have to be trial and error anymore. With the Dado setup fixture and gap gauges, you can assemble and fine-tune your entire stack outside the saw, eliminating the frustration of repeated test cuts. The gap gauge acts as a precise reference, letting you dial in the exact width you need with confidence. Once the stack is set, simply transfer it to your machine, saving time, reducing waste, and ensuring a perfect fit on the first try. Built for accuracy and efficiency,
This system streamlines one of the most tedious parts of woodworking, giving you consistent results across projects. Whether you're cutting dados for shelves, cabinets, or joinery, the fixture and gauges transform setup from guesswork into a fast, reliable process that keeps your workflow smooth and professional. For router table users, precision is everything, and the SFP Pro Universal Fence delivers it in spades. Designed to fit a wide range of tables, this fence system brings serious accuracy and control to your setup. At its core is a central micro adjuster, capable of dialing in changes down to 0.001 inches, giving you unmatched fine tuning for cuts and profiles. Independent in-feed and out-feed adjustments let you achieve perfect alignment, while smooth ball bearing movement ensures effortless operation every time. Built for durable, high-quality materials, the SFP Pro is engineered for stability and repeatability, making it a professional-grade upgrade for any serious woodworker. Whether you're shaping edges, cutting joinery, or fine-tuning complex profiles, this universal fence transforms your router table into a precision machine, saving time, reducing errors, and elevating the quality of your work. Here's a glimpse at some of the most impressive Woodpeckers tools arriving in 2026. If you like this overview, hit like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you never miss our newest tool reviews, guides, and woodworking tips today.